Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. We're now on to lot number 45, which is a Honda C50 6-volt. It's a specially made one for the fire department in Japan. They're exceptionally rare. We do have two of them. We have a lot of two, so if a collector is interested, I think the two as a pair is really nice. But it'll probably be the only ones that we get from the fire stations in Japan, as they are quite desirable over in Japan themselves. So this one will be going up at €1950. It's a 1979 bike with only 4,273 miles. So take a look at her. She's not mint, but this is the kind of condition that they come in when they're used by the fire department. Front tire is okay. I wouldn't know if they're the original tires. It probably need replacing, but I'm not too sure. Some marks on the front mudguard here, as you can see. Where my mouse cursor is from fork then is in good condition. Coming up to the front of the bike, you see a slight mark here. Plastics, in fairness to them, look pretty good. Headlamp assembly area, doesn't look to see any rusting in around the chrome, which is good to see. It's the original seat, but does have a large tear in it here. Nothing too major. Rusting along the exhaust here, again, nothing too much. Crack in the side panel on the right hand side here. Going through the centre of the bike, you do see a few marks as well. These are the foot pegs, they just haven't been put on yet because they're going into shipping. Rear swing arm here is in very good condition. The exhaust itself and the muffler look in good nick also. Rear of the bike and the indicators all look nice as well. So that's the right hand side. Moving on to the left hand side, we have what looks like better condition on the left hand side. Front tire, again, you do see some slight marks in the top and bottom of the mudguard. Corrosion around the drum brake here as well. You do see a crack in the plastics here, and nothing we won't be able to fix when we get it gets to Dublin though. Rubbing along the engine area here on the left hand side. Side panel here is fine, no cracks in this one. Again, another rip in the seat. Along the back of the bike itself, all looks in nice shape, as well as the chain guard. So when you look at it, there are a few bits, but really there isn't an awful lot of rust. You look at the rear carrier and the shocks itself, all in nice condition. You can't really see any rusting underneath the mudguards here, so relatively decent condition. I mean, it could do with a bit of light restoration, but nothing too major. So again, if you are interested in the bike, we'll be taking €150 deposits on her to secure the bike for arrival in September. Age of the bike is 1979 again, 6-volt C50, €1,950 with only 4,273 miles.